In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can change data and time in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video without wasting any time, because I know your time is valuable. So what you have to do, it's very simple. Press on your keyboard Windows logo plus I, and here we have system. All right, here in the system we can right click on our data here and select here adjust date and time. You can also go to time and language, and then data and time, and from here data is set to time. It's set automatically to change our data and time. But you can also click here set the data and time manually. If you turn off set time automatically, if you turn off set time automatically, from here you can click change, and now you can do it manually. Okay, so you can choose, you can also select here set time manually, or you can turn off this or turn off and then set date and time manually. All right, so I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching and take care. And if you have any questions or suggestions for the next Windows 11 tutorial, please let me know in the comments section. Take care.